Okay guys, this isn't just an uncommon fan, this is a rare fan. This is a 1975 Kmart K-23-W. There's some K-23-Ws around, which are the plastic bladed version of this, but I personally have never seen a metal bladed one with a Westinghouse motor with the Kmart name. It has a rather interesting startup sound too. It doesn't sound anything like the Macmillan motor ones. Although when you put these blades on a Macmillan motor, it sounds exactly the same. So, this fan, the grills are good. That hole that's right there happened while I owned it. The vents are in the bottom. I already got the super glue to glue them back in. I just haven't gotten around to doing it yet. So it will have two perfect grills again. That was pretty cool. But, this is going to need some serious restoration. It's very, very, very rusty. Very rusty. But what's cool is that I also have a 1975 Kmart K-23-W, which is the plastic one. So both of mine, with the W, Kmart's, are from 1975, which is pretty cool. Except my other one's a late 75. I can tell because this one's got the smaller handle, which isn't there. But I have a good idea on how I'm going to fix it. Since I still have the two ends of the handle, what I'm going to try and do is just drill two little holes, and I'm going to make like a little piece of metal or something that's the same width as this and the same thickness, and I'll just screw it to the two tops of here, and then it will be like a handle anyway, and then I'll just paint it white to match, and then I'll paint the two ends back white again. I never really did an overall good cleaning or anything on this fan because I'm going to restore it, but once I restore it and everything, I'll clean it all up, and I'll turn the blades into mirrors and all that fun stuff. So now that we're done talking about it, let's see it on the kilowatt meter. Go to amps. And we'll start off with high, and I'll kind of go to the back and get you a startup sound, because it sounds way different. Set speed. Let the amp meter calm down. This fan's rated at 2.0 on the motor, but it draws 2.32. 2.30. So it's 0.3 amps over what it's rated, but that's to be expected. I've only seen a few fans that the rating was actually right. So let's go to medium. Goes down to 1.64. And then low, which this fan's got a really nice low for a metal blade here. I think the Westinghouse motors react really well. Then low's 1.33. Now let's do watts. Okay, we got 115 watts on low. Put it up to medium. You have to let it calm back down because it's going to draw a few more watts getting up to speed. Looks like 140 watts on medium. Then high. $187. If I remember correctly, that's the same watts that a 90s Galaxy draws. That's pretty strange. So, now you know the readings of Lakewood K-23-W. Not that many of you guys will find one of these, because they're very, very uncommon. I got lucky with this one. I only paid $5 for it at the flea market. It was one of the dirtiest fans I've ever cleaned before, I'll say that. It was bad. You couldn't see any type of shine on the blades at all. They were black. The grills were black. It was just disgusting. Really, really dirty fan. But I think once it's all done, it'll look pretty good. So, that's it for this video. So, as usual, thank you guys for watching. And I hope all you guys enjoyed.